Hi guys, I'm opening up my, I guess this is April because I received it a little after mid-April. And this is a new Maker Valley Quilters Box. It was formerly known as Quilters Candy Box. So this is the first one that I'm receiving that is procured, that it's changed over. So let's get into it. I have this little unicorn that I stamped and colored to cover my address. So all I did was open it. I'm sorry that this is running a little bit late, but let me open the top and I'll come right back. I'm going to do it off camera so you can't see my address. And it's a bit difficult to open because the cover is so high. Okay, so I'm back. And instead of the pink tissue paper, now we have this mint paper, which is super cute. I like that. And let's get into it. It has a little letter, and this one is it has everything that we that comes in the box as usual, and it has the retail price and what it's worth, what everything is worth. So that's really cool. So the first thing is flatter, and this one is called Celebration. And I do like this. I really do like this. Oh, it's sticky. I think it leaked a little. Smells good. It's called Celebration, Good, Clean, Fun. And I love Soak's Flatter Spray. You know how sometimes fabric can smell musty? This spray is the best thing to combat that. Here's what the people at Soak Wash Inc. say about their Flatter Spray. Excuse me. Flatter makes ironing easier. This starch-free smoothing spray relaxes wrinkles and freshens fabrics. It's flat out fabulous. Flatter leaves fabric sleek, soft, and static-free. Plus, the mild formation is easy on sensitive skin and won't harm the environment. So I do really love this spray. I have another one that I'm using that I've gotten in previous boxes. It's either Soul Sampler or Quilters Candy Box. So I do like it. I'm going to need to clean it off a little bit. So I do like that. And there is a little candy in here. It's Haichu Mango. Living in Hawaii, we get a bunch of, we get Haichu a lot, especially the Japanese versions. So that's really cute. Thank you for that. And we got a Diary of a Quilter enamel pin. It's an apple with a checkerboard. Super cute. And it has a little pin back on it. That's cute. And this one says an apple enamel pin by Maker Valley plus Diary of a Quilter, $9.95 is what this is retailed at. Flatter retails at $12. And as usual, I will list everything in the description below. And this one is a handmade woven labels by Amy Smart. It says handmade, care wash on cold, tumble dry, stitch with heart, made for you by. So you could either stitch something on there or write it. And this one, woven labels by Amy Smart, retail $5.95. Okay. And here is a Creative Grids 1x6 ruler. And this one, sorry, 1x6 ruler from Creative Grids retails for $6. And I do love having a little ruler at all times. So this is always handy. I love having a ruler. Okay, let's see. Oh, here's another Haichu. This one is green apple. I love the green apple flavor. And there's a little sticker. It says I love to quilt. That's super cute. Let's see if this is okay. I love to quilt sticker from Katie Sabin of Just Add Sunshine Inc. $3 retail. And let's get into the fabric. This is a custom charm pack by Holly Lesu of Maker Valley. So this is a colorful I guess so. There's 2 of them. So I guess there's, yeah, so we get 2 charm packs. And the retail is $15. These 2 5-inch charm packs were hand cut by yours truly. Okay, so it's really cute. Let's open it up and see if we can. It doesn't, wait, does it say? The charm pack includes 40 5-inch squares of 20 different fabrics with 2 5-inch squares of each print. There are 2 charm packs of 2 different colorways. The first is a collection of low volume, and the second collection is a collection of bright cherry colors. So this is the cherry colors, and this is the low volume. Alright, so there's 2 of each. And this one looks like Little Red Riding Hood. That's really cute. Nice floral. And cherry with white picket fence. Not cherry, I'm sorry, apples on a white picket fence. So there's 2 of that. Clouds and raindrops. Bows on a green background. Like a crosshatch gingham. Green on a beige background, ivory background. Ships, green on a green background with clouds. Paper girls and boys. Horses, very colorful rainbow horses on yellow background. Flower vases and flowers on a mustard background. Pineapples on a mustard background. Strawberries on a mustard background. This is very cute. Looks very kawaii, Japanesey. Little fat bunnies and chicks and butterflies on a pink background, and little butterfly nets. That's super cute. Apple trees on a pink background. This one looks like they're part of the Little Red Riding Hood again, with the forest and houses. This one is the crosshatch gingham on a pink background. Colorful polka dots on a red background. Abstract on a dark red background. Checkerboard on red on white background. And this is white flowers on a red background. So let's look at the low volume. So this is girls hanging out at a park, playground. And this looks like Tootsie Roll Pop in space. Colorful stripes. I mean, it is pretty colorful for low volume, and she does mention that in her letter. I like this color, polka dots on ivory. Pink flamingo. Okay. Kitty cat faces on white. Colorful diagonal stripes on white. Colorful big houses on white. Nice black and white geographic design. I'm not sure what that is, but looks like some kind of fruit on, I'm not sure what that's called. Escapes me. Kitty unicorn with stars and colorful tails. That's super cute. Here's a blue with a ivory background. Blue houses. X's and O's and hearts. This one is very vintage looking to me, like an old handkerchief, but that's super cute. And flowers on an ivory background. Here is another vintage wood stove That's super cute. I like that too. And here is a chevron pattern, muted. And this is jam. That's really cute too. And this one, the prints are far apart, so it's hard to tell what it is, but on the other side it's girls playing dolls. And this is just abstract designs on a slightly beige background. Okay, so that's really nice. And then let's see what the pattern is. It says, so this one says Fraulein, a pattern by Amy Smart, diaryofaquilter.com. So it looks like that you use all the 5-inch pieces. So let's see, Fraulein quilt pattern by Amy Smart. It retails for $9.95. Featuring her Gretel fabric currently in stores, which she designed for Riley Blake Fabrics. This pattern is pre-cut friendly and was inspired by traditional granny square blocks and has no bias edges in the blocks. Thank you, Amy, is what is on there. So let's open this up and take a quick peek. So I like how colorful it is, and it's super vintage looking, which I like. And it comes with it's a throw size 68 by 82, which is fairly large. And oh, there's crib size, which is 50 by 65. So there's different sizes. So that's that. And the crib size. So I guess it comes with 2 sizes. Oh, actually there's more. Crib, throw, queen, and king. So it tells you what you need. So that's really cute. I do like that. Looks fairly simple. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.